If you are writing a document or a paper, you have to use headings, side headings, subheadings, etc. Normally, these headings are termed as sections in LaTeX typesetting. LaTeX supports different levels of headings to address its depth in the article. A research article may have 5 level headings, whereas books and reports will have 7 levels. They are listed here. Here in the left column you can see the depths of different headings. That means the chapter and part are the top level headings, but they are using -1 and 0 as depth levels. They are mainly meant for the books and reports. On the other hand, in a normal document or research article, sections are considered as the top level headings. So their depths are given as 1 to 5. In the third column, you can see the corresponding LaTeX codes to produce these headings. Now, let us open TechFolio Lite and try to typeset these sections in a LaTeX document. This will give you a better picture of typesetting sections and its depths in the article. Here, you can see document class is loaded with the TechFolio class. Begin document is here, end document is here. Here we are testing the first level section heading. For this we are using /section command and enclosing the heading or the text inside the curly brace. Now click on the PDF button to get its output. See, the section is numbered automatically. Before moving further, we can check one more section here. /section, second section. Click on the PDF button again. Now you can clearly see the automatic numbering of sections. Now we can move on to subsections. /subsection is used for this purpose. Let us insert a subsection inside the second section, that is first subsection in second section. Click on the PDF button. See the generated counters again. Here 2.1 is this section counter. Here let us try to add another subsection inside the second section, a third section and a subsection inside the third section. This is the second subsection in the second section. Now third section is coded. Then first subsection in the third section is coded. See subsection, section and subsection commands. Click PDF button again. See the section numbers. 2.1, 2.2, then third section is numbered as 3 and the first subsection in the third section is numbered as 3.1. Now we are testing other levels of section commands also, that is subsection. /subsection is used and the fourth level section heading is paragraph and fifth level is subparagraph. Now it is coded. Click PDF button again. Now it is listed here 3.1.1, that is the subsection counter, subsection counter, and paragraph and subparagraph are appeared as unnumbered. Also see the font styles here. Subsection is appeared as italic, paragraph and also appeared as italic. Now we can use unnumbered section for other sections also. For this you can use starred version. Here starred version of section command is used here, that is section star. Now the section is appeared as same as the first level section without number. You can use subsection star for unnumbered section for subsection commands. Here it is displayed. Starred version can be applied for all the numbered section commands. Let us code some sections as an example here. Here you can see the first section, second section, 2.1, 2.2, 4.2, 4.21 and 6. Now we can code these sections here. Here the first section is coded and second section, previous studies, is now coded. Next one is a subsection, it is related books. Now the next one is 2.2, that is related articles. Third one is a section, area of our research. Next one is fourth section, it is coded as section methods. Now we are moving on to 4.1, the subsection, and the 4.2, that is another subsection, that is quantitative approach. Next one is a subsection. It is questionnaire, that is 4.2.1. Another one is also a subsection. It is 4.2.2 surveys. Then fifth section is coded, that is findings, and the last section, that is conclusion, that is section number 6, is now coded. Now we can click on PDF button to get the output. Here it is displayed. You can see the first section, second section, 2.1, 2.2 and 3, 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.21, 4.22, 5 and 6.